So this kind of spring is an essential part of this type of habitat, because as you can see, not only it generates a small fresh pond, but it also extends to this type of temporary swamp that you can see right here. I say temporary because during the summer months, when it's very hot outside, most of it will dry up and remain just a small stream. Now in this habitat, at this time in spring, we can find all types of amphibians, like small toads, small salamanders, newts, and other critters like that, that will actually use these small pools to breed and place their young in here. Let's keep moving. Since we've been exploring here today, there is something I really want to show you, just to highlight how beautiful this part of Transylvania is. There, if you can see it, is a local waterfall. Look how nice it is, all natural, no human intervention in making that. And while it's not a tourist attraction specifically, there are actually other waterfalls that are tourist attractions here. This one is for the more dedicated explorer. There isn't exactly a tourist trail to reach it, but if you just go along the stream, you are bound to find a lot of waterfalls just like this one. So let's go and take a closer look. At this part of nature, even my dog is excited because he's never really seen a waterfall before. Hopefully he won't jump into it because he likes to swim. I don't even know if you can hear me over the noise, but I'm going to shut up for a second now and let you enjoy the atmosphere.